Welcome to the crib, y'all. We are on the last room on the 3rd floor of this beautiful suite. All right, so start over here with the bathroom. Well, first off, we'll walk right past. You got your pantry because you do have a whole kitchen in here. I'll show y'all that in a minute. Bathroom, big beautiful mirror with the light behind it. Ladies doing your makeup is perfect. One sink, got counter space over there. Bathroom, pretty basic bathroom. Toilet, but you got closet in the bathroom, which is nice. We'll come back to the room, lay in there changing clothes. But this is the kitchen. Pretty big size refrigerator, freezer down below. Microwave, oven, stove, Keurig, pretty large sink, toaster, dishwasher. I'm sure it's, oh yeah, it's already coming with plates and pots and pans, I'm sure, yep. Alright, so double beds. This is Riley's bed. This is Savannah's bed. Yep. And a door that goes back off into the first bathroom that we showed you, which is nice. So they can go straight to the bathroom, or if you out here, you can come straight to the bathroom. And you can close it off, just like that. All right, living room space over here. I'm not sure if this turns out into a bed. I'm sure it does. I haven't even checked to see. Balcony back there. Good size TV. Tiles. They do have a water park here. Table space. Coming back here for lunch or dinner. Breakfast for sure. Oh, I forgot to show y'all something in the kitchen. Go back. Washroom, furnace, hot water tank. There's a lot of space in here. They're having too much fun. And the master room, the bed right there. Walk in, a little chilling space over here, which takes you out to your balcony, which is all screened in. You know, most balconies are in Florida, all screened in. That's nice. Pretty big, real big room. Full-size mirror. Got the nightstands on both sides, king bed. Master bath. Another good mirror in here. Double sinks. A lot of towel space. A lot of drawer space. Closet. Toilet room. My wife gonna love that. I ain't gotta hear her mouth. Close that up. Shower. Pretty big too. And the tub. Towels. It's a pretty big bathroom. real big. But that's it, man. This is a 2-bedroom suite. This is it. We got the Grove Resort and Water Park in Orlando.